Hi everyone. Our group for the project 142. I'm Thiện, year 2, and this year Thiện. Our project name is Climate Flash Flood. It's a program to read the data for calculate the data from the climate in the US city. We output some climate data file, and then the outputs will calculate the mass, mean, and average.
When we receive the project, who the group head spent 2 weeks working on it, and then wrote the first module.
Step by step, we build entirely the program from single code line. Sometimes we make some logical error or grammar fault.
First of us have to find the problem by reading the reference books or asking some device. But in the end, after failure to failure, we have found out the correct way to make it work.
Here's the map of showing how the program is running. In the beginning, the program will run and print out the message to require the user input from the keyboard. And after the user input the data, the program will read the data type file and implement the set. And then they will store the data in 3-day array and calculate the mass, the mean, and the average value. Then it will print out the output into the screen. And the next step, the program will ask the user to continue the program. If the user says yes, the program will run again from the input required step. And if the user says no, the program will stop.
In the project, there are the constant and function which were declared in the beginning of project. We try to recover the example to initialize and set true with your Boolean array to implement set of integer. We use toString as a overloading function to read the array from function open_file and using them to calculate the mass, mean, and average data from the file, and then bring out the result. This is my code, also my part. This is a set to function in the initialize function to string function. We have two functions to string. This is
Now I introduce about my part. Include the open_file function and the two function. The open_file function was the right to read the input file and store all the data, which will follow the input from the user into the array, and the two functions using distinct variable to store the user input after bring out the mass, and this function using size n to return the value to variable. Then it is used in opening function. This is two function. The two function they open the city file and require user input, and then store them in a tree array. This is open file. Open file right to read the input file and store the data, which will follow the input from user into array.
Okay, hi. My part is writing the opening function and the main function. The opening function using a loop, and it breaks when the user say no. Inside the loop, we run the use function. Then they store the data in ISS by the call iStream. In the main function, I declare three bold set, and then we run the opening function, and we return the result 0.
Now you can see this is the opening function using three bold arrays, set1, set2, and set3. And first we set the answer equal to yes, and it will bring out welcome to the climax cluster. Create the loop while, and it will stop if answer is different from yes. We will store the choose function to cd, data, and one string, and we run the is string at 1 cd, if 2 1, is 3 data, and run the initialize tree set. And then we set to tree set. We add the OS equal to string set to 1, 2, 3, and find out the OSS. Here is another loop. If we now the message to asking the user to continue or stop the program, and if you say yes, it will run again, and if you say no, we'll break the program and find out the message. Thank you for using Climax++. Now take a look about the main function. Using declare three bold set array 1, 2, 3. And running the opening set 1, 2, 3, and then stop the program. Now we take a look to see how this program is running. Here check. Okay. Here. Yes. It say welcome. And first we have to choose the city. I will choose 1, 2, 2, and 1 again. And here now we choose the data. I will choose the temperature and rainfall. Now the month, I will choose January and February. Enter. Yeah, as you can see is the result you are bring out to the screen related to the data for asking the temperature, show the maximum, the minimum, the average, for the rainfall, the same. And in Boston City, same temperature in January, February, and rainfall. Now, it want to ask me to continue or no, yes or no. Yes. I choose 7, 6, 7,
and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, and enter. Well, it shows the result and calculate exactly what we need and from the input file. In the end, now we just move to start. Yeah, thank you for using Climax Plus and press to escape the program. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy this video because we are the amateur. So forgive me if I have some mistake or pronunciation. Leave the video. Bye bye. Hope